Hi, last time I described my new project as an open structure detective game. But what does that mean? What's my vision for this game? I will talk about this in a moment, but first let's go through the actual progress I have made since the last video. I was showing you my custom font renderer, but what you couldn't see was that it was merely a scaffold and proof of concept. I couldn't change the font face or size during runtime, also positioning was barely working. Now, as you can see, that's done. There is still plenty of work to do, like implementing proper kerning, text coloring, embedding images into text, custom text interpreter and some more. But with this what I already have, I can start working on other features and improve text rendering as needed. And by the way, I found this cute Cthulhu Ipsum generator online. So what's next in my queue, you would ask? This is an atlas with almost all sprites used in Pumpkinman. I had to manually place all the sprites and then type in all the coordinates for each sprite individually. This isn't as bad as it sounds, but in the end your game is as good as the tools you're using. Adding new sprites was tedious, and for this game I want to make it much smoother. The first thing I need is to scaffold some UI system. I have already done it once for Pumpkinman, it was okay, but this time I know I can do better. So that's where my main course of action is going to be, implementing basic controls, buttons, text inputs, etc. Then, when I have that, I can start working on sprite importer with the Atlas generation tool, embedded into the game itself. Now let's talk about what this new game will look like. You will play as a detective. You have to talk with witnesses, interrogate suspects, collect evidence, and so on. You will have access to a board where you can connect people with evidence, you know, the classic scene from all detective movies. Maybe I will add other tools that come to my mind too. The game will have an open structure, so you can go almost everywhere in the location, solve puzzles and talk with NPCs in any order you like. Kind of like the game Shadows of Doubt, but I want to put more emphasis on the story, so there will be main plot, world, dialogues, cutscenes, and the case itself will be handcrafted, but as you can imagine, I have a plan to keep the scale of things small. The location will be something like a single building with some surrounding. One of the ideas is not to give definitive answer to players about their decisions. There will be only one proper solution to the case, and it will be findable within the game, but there will also be loose ends and false trails. So, if you decide to accuse the wrong person, you can change the outcome of the story. And you can even never know that you jailed the wrong person. I hope to add other elements to the game too, including custom puzzles like deciphering secret codes, exploration and basic combat. All of that is in the Lovecraftian setting, so you will be able to visit America in the early 20s of the last century and face strange phenomena. I hope this makes you at least a little bit excited for what's about to come next. We will see each other in 2 weeks. Have a nice day.